Forming the LLC is just the beginning. There are ongoing obligations that you need to stay on top of, and it helps to know what's coming in year 1 and beyond so that you aren't surprised. This is also where using Northwest Registered Agent can really pay off. Let me walk you through what Texas requires. The good news is that Texas doesn't require you to file an annual report directly with the Secretary of State. There's no separate annual renewal fee going to the Secretary of State. What Texas does require is an annual franchise tax report, filed with the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts by May 15th every year. Here's the thing though, most small businesses won't actually owe any money. As of 2026, if your LLC's total revenue is under $2.65 million, you don't owe any franchise tax, but you still have to file a no tax due report every year to confirm that. Don't skip it even if you owe nothing. Missing this filing can put your LLC out of good standing. Texas also requires a Public Information Report, or PIR, filed at the same time, May 15th every year. This report updates the state with your LLC's current ownership and your current contact information. It's a separate filing from the franchise tax report, but both are due on the same date. There's no fee for the PIR, it's just a required filing. Northwest will send you reminders ahead of the deadline, and if you stay enrolled in their compliance service, they can handle both things for you. If you've only followed along so far, and now you're ready to get started, remember to use the link in the description to get the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent.